Oh, it's lighting up. Channel. Hi neighbors, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today we're going to be making Hokkaido milk bread featuring Andrew. And so he'll be showing us Joshua Weissman's recipe on how to make Hokkaido milk bread. And I'm so excited because the bread will come out so fluffy and I love the warmth and smell of bread when it's freshly baked. So let's see how it goes. Let's go!
So we're going to start by making the Tangzhong. You want to first warm up 4 tablespoons of milk. Temperature of the milk should be 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Now add in 4 tablespoons of milk. Using medium heat, you want to stir and flatten the lumps. Mix until it becomes paste-like. There's the paste. So remove the paste and let it cool. Now we're going to set aside 1 tablespoon of instant yeast mixed in with half of a cup of milk. Now we're going to start making the bread dough. You want to add in 320 grams of all-purpose flour, 55 grams of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt. Transfer all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. This method we're going to be using a stand mixer. You want to set the stand mixer at a low. Add in the already prepared milk with the yeast. Add in the Tangzhong paste. And add in 1 whole egg. And now let it fully incorporate. After it's fully incorporated, you want to add in 2 tablespoons of butter and let it mix. When the butter is fully incorporated, you want to set the mixer to a medium speed. So after the dough becomes smooth, you want to take it out. But the dough got too sticky. In an attempt to salvage this, we added more flour and we even added 1 more tablespoon of butter and incorporated it in the stand mixer. This is the result of the dough. It's a little bit better, a little bit more formed, but it's still very sticky.
It's not pretty. It's not pretty.
We're gonna still work with it. So after placing the dough into a pre-oiled bowl, you want to proof for 2 hours. After proofing,
Gotta punch it down. Punch.
now it's time to pour onto a lightly floured surface, but it's taking quite a long time to pour it out. 10 minutes later. Continue to knead and roll out the dough. Realized it's still too sticky. Ideally, you want to fold the dough inward and roll it into a log shape for the swirls, but in this case it was really hard because it kept sticking to the surface. So instead of rolling it, we decided to scoop the dough into a log shape. And now we place the dough into a buttered loaf pan. You can cover it with a damp towel or saran wrap and proof it for 2 hours. Now let's begin with the egg wash. For the egg wash, you need 1 whole egg and a dash of whole milk. And now mix. Now after mixing, you want to coat the surface of the loaf with egg wash. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and after that, you want to bake it for 28 to 30 minutes. It looks so good. Time to take out the loaf.
Ooh. Oh.
Hey!
Wow, so pretty. Time to slice it. Well, some slices are a bit uneven, but I blame the knife.
So the dough ended up being a little bit wetter than usual. You can see how clearly it was so sticky. So it's recommended to actually wet your hands a little bit with water when handling the sticky dough instead of adding more flour, because it adds more gluten to the bread, which makes it a little bit more dense. But in the end, the bread still came out so warm and fluffy, and it's really an easy recipe to make. And I really hope you guys try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, then subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when my next video is out. Thank you guys so much again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!